All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a little construction video about some hypothetical means and methods of how the diversion may be built. You can see kind of coming in here and grubbing the area, then going ahead and relocating a spur track, coming in with a series of cofferdams to reinforce the levee, then a secondary levee system back behind the mainline river levee to where we can excavate on down to get to the headworks and the graving sites for some float-in technology out into the river. Now you can see in the front starting to put in the sheet pile system, cofferdam system, then to further excavate the headwork structure for the main gate complex. Gate complex being come up. Now building some of the inlet structure in the dry, starting some of the transition or T-walls back or training walls back to the guide levee system. Then flooding the entire excavation, removing some of the cofferdam system, penetrating the levee system, with a secondary levee system in place, working on the outside into the river, and then starting to float in some of the inlet pieces on the flood side of the gate system out into the river complex. Again, this is a schematic. That way we kind of show some both in the dry technology and in the wet technology. Continuing to use navigation equipment to bring in and float in and place some of the guide structures for the inlet structure in the river. Repairing or rebuilding that section of the Mississippi River levee, installing a tainter gate system, and then continuing with restoring that mainline level of river protection, finishing our training wall, and then coming back and filling back in the complex area between the mainline river levee and the gate complex. And then there you can see the final product with the railroad being returned to service.